I'm going to wake up. Now, I'm waking up. Yawn. I woke up. More or less. Now, I'm going to get up. So, now, I'm getting up. Good morning. I got up. Next, I'm going to wash my hands with soap under the running tap. Now, I'm washing my hands with soap under the running tap. I washed my hands with soap under the running tap. Now I'm going to dry my hands on a towel. I'm drying my hands on a towel. I dried my hands on a towel. I'm going to have a shower. Quack, 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 quack. I'm having a shower. I'm going to wash my body with shower gel. I'm washing my body with shower gel. Now I'm going to rinse off the shower gel off my body. Now I'm rinsing off the shower gel. I'm rinsing my body. I had a shower, so now I need to get out of the shower. And now I'm getting out of the shower. I got out of the shower. Now I'm going to dry myself with a towel. Now I'm drying myself with a towel. I dried myself with a towel, so now I'm all dry. Now I'm going to put on some deodorant. And now I'm putting on some deodorant. I put on some deodorant. Now I'm going to have a shave with an electric shaver. You can also say electric razor. So, now I'm having a shave with a shaver. I had a shave. Now I'm going to brush my teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. So now I'm taking the top off the toothpaste tube and putting some toothpaste onto my toothbrush. Now I'm brushing my teeth. I brushed my teeth. So now I'm going to put the top back onto the toothpaste tube. And now I'm putting the top back onto the toothpaste tube. I put the top back onto the toothpaste tube. Now I'm going to floss my teeth with some dental floss. Now I'm flossing my teeth with dental floss. I flossed my teeth with dental floss. Now I'm going to gargle with mouthwash. Now I'm gargling with mouthwash. I gargled with mouthwash. Now I'm going to brush my hair with a brush. I don't actually have that problem, do I? I'm bare, so I need to get dressed. You can also say, I'm naked or nude. So now I'm getting dressed. I got dressed, so now I'm wearing my clothes. Now I'm going to put on my shoes and tie my laces. So now I'm putting on my shoes and I'm tying my laces. I put on my shoes and tied my laces. Now I'm going to put on my watch. So now I'm putting on my watch. I put on my watch. It's time for breakfast. So I'm going to make a coffee and have breakfast. I'm making coffee. This is Italian coffee. I'm having breakfast. Yum yum. I had breakfast. So now I'm ready for my day. Note that when we talk about food or drink, we don't really use the word eat or drink. We normally use the word have as a synonym for eating or drinking. So I said, I'm going to have breakfast, I'm having breakfast, and I had breakfast, not I ate breakfast or I drank my coffee. Okay?